Good morning, friends. I'm so glad to see you. Hello, everybody. Today is Wednesday, March 18th. And can someone tell me what the weather is outside today? Is it rainy? No. Is it snowy? No. What's the weather? It's sunny. Today, I'm going to be reading We're Going on a Nature Hunt. Let's get started. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. The pages are sticking together. We're coming to a bridge, a narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. It's a slippery, sloppy frog. Look at that frog jump and swim, but don't scare it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's on the ground? Let's find out. Dig, dig, dig down into the ground. It's a worm. Look at that wiggly waggly worm, but don't hurt it. See the worm? We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What is in that tree? Let's find out. Climb, climb, climb up to the crooked branch. It's a scritchy, scratchy nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest, but don't touch. See the eggs? What color are they? What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. It's a beehive. Let's go! Beehive. See? There it is. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Back down the tree. Back through the meadow. Back across the pond. Back over the bridge. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last. The end. Do you hear the birds around me? Listen. I hear the birds singing. Do you hear the birds singing outside at your house? Let me know. All right, friends, I think I'm gonna go on my own nature hunt now. I'll see you later. Bye.